So I got this PIX-LINK Wi-Fi repeater here. It's got 4 antennas. You're just gonna want to flip them out, kind of just point them up for the most part, unless you've something very specific. It's really cool. It has a plug, so it can be wireless or wired. For wireless, it's gonna support 802.11. We're gonna have A, B, G, N, and AC. So for those who aren't super technically literate, that matches to what your current internet is. For most, that's going to fit basically all of them. So it really should work with everybody's. It's nice. It has kind of holes in the side, so it's not going to get super hot. This thing comes in, it kind of has 2 main modes. So it has 2.4 gigahertz and a 5.8 gigahertz channels. So you can do a dual band channel where you're using both, or you can select one or the other. On the 2.4 gigahertz, we're going to get up to 300 megabits per second. And on the 5.8, we're going to get 865 megabits per second. So, for those who need higher speeds but a shorter kind of range, that 5.8 channel is going to be the best for you. And those who need kind of a broader range, but may not be maxing out of that speed, you're going to want to just use the 2.4 gigahertz channel. So just plugging it in right here, kind of as we start, it'll go through a few different kind of light indicators. What we're looking for is for it to get to a blue and a red flashing back and forth. When it's there, we know we're ready to set up. You should see a PIX-LINK 2.4 gigs and a 5.8 gigs. You can click on either one of those. The default password here is going to just be 1234567 Click join on that. Then we're going to want to go into the kind of setup page. So we're going to go into a browser and go to the web address 192.168.7.1. It will take us to a login page. Again, the default password for this is admin, which also says on the device itself. We're going to go into repeater mode, and we're going to scan for my current home network. So once you scan, you'll see a bunch of networks, and you can click select on whichever one is yours. So once we select, then you're going to put in your current network password. So I'll put mine in right here, and then click apply. Once you've applied, it's going to take a second to kind of update the device. And then you're going to want to, reconnect to one of those 2 extended networks here that we will see in our Wi-Fi settings. So now if we go back to our Wi-Fi settings here, we'll see one of the new extensions. We'll type in the same password as our original kind of home network. And then you will be able to connect to anything you want. If you want to set up additional things, you can go to that link that is in that was given to you at setup.pix-link.net. And again, that password there is just admin. And you can kind of set up more specifications. If you want to change modes to the access point mode, you can do that. So after you have everything set up here, again, now we're just going to see the solid blue light, which means everything should be good to go. Again, there's different modes: an extender mode, an access point mode, whatever works best for you and your situation. The other cool thing is this will support up to 32 devices connected to it at a time. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place this kind of in between your devices that are having kind of poor internet connection, as well as kind of right in between that and where your router currently sits, so that it will get the signal and then broadcast it further to those devices. So I hope you guys enjoy.